Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of dab.pogmax.io. So this is basically an online platform that is just an AI-driven decentralized fund that was created to connect people with the user to provide them with ecological projects and promotes faster and smarter value growth. So they claim to optimize the pop social token economy and innovating this into NFT economic model. And they're also claiming on their official website they have been partnered with the big names like BNB Chain, Even Ventures, Kernel, and many others. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those bold claims. So once I tried searching for the reviews of this site on the Trustpilot, I got to know it has a 3.3 rating, which is an average rating out of 5 stars. But the concerning part, it is only based on one review. So this person could be someone from their own website. So the thing is, based on these reviews, this platform sounds pretty much a scam. So I tried searching for the reviews on another website called Scam Advisor and got to know it has a 31 out of 100 trust score, which is very negative. So in conclusion, I would say like based on the information about this platform and the reviews, this platform is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid connecting your wallet with this platform. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.